Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have Michael's haul to share with you, so let's check out all the goodies I got. The first thing I want to share is this Make Market Kit. The regular price was $39.99 and it is on sale for $19.99. And I think these are so cool. So they're basically a kit where you recreate the little haunted house, and the kit does come with everything that you need. Here goes everything that it comes with. So I thought this was pretty cool to make or to do. But yeah, I got this one. I got that. Next thing I hauled is this paper pan. I did haul the smaller version, but I liked it so much I wanted the big one. So I was able to get the 12 by 12. This one here is my favorite. Well, many of them are, but let's go ahead and look at this. Look at all the ghosties. Love it. And then the wood background. And then look at this. Wow. This has some foiling on it. And you get two pages each. Love this. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at this one. And the stars are foiled. Oh, the bats. Love it. You do have this one also. I love that. Yeah, this one's foiling in there. Beautiful. Yeah, the black and white. Look at the spiders. Don't know if it shows, but it does have spiders webs on there. Oh, look at all the cut aparts. Halloween, happy Halloween. Trick or treat, beware, spooky, October 31. Two of those. I love the newspaper, the one like a dictionary papers. Yeah. So those are those. It came in that. Love it. And I'm happy I got that. Okay, next thing I hauled are these Chanel stems. Love it. I love the poofiness. So it does come in orange and black, so I was able to get those. It would be nice if they had the pink and black, but I got those ones. I also hauled the napkins, which I am going to do a DIY with and use these. And this does have some foiling in there. But how cute is this? Actually, this would be nice to do an album cover. Look at that. So I got those ones. I believe, don't remember how much those were. Oh. I also have this beautiful trim, well, ribbon, bundle of ribbon. What I like about this is you get a variety of, look at that, a variety of trims. And this was on sale for, its regular price is $9.99, and it was on sale for $5.99. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. Love this. Look at that. Real nice. Love that. I hauled from the baking area these spider silicone molds, and I got this not for baking but for doing, like, I want to do like little cabochons or even pendants with these. Look at that. Real nice. I like that. Love it. So I got that one. Next thing I hauled are these skull, the girl and a boy silicone mold. So I got them for the same reason, for crafting, not baking. Look at that. Love, love, love. Look at that. How cool is this? Actually pretty cool. I got that one. Well, I also picked up this stamp and die. I wanted the Alice in Wonderland one. I hauled some other ones already, which I did a video on also, but I needed this one. This was pretty nice. So it does cut out the circle, the cat in the hat, I believe, I want to say the flower, but how nice are these? So I got those ones also. I did get the vintage one. I love this. I love this style. This is one of my favorite styles. But this one does cut, let's see, what does this one cut? It does cut the little frame, the flower, and it does cut the inside. So if you stamp that, you cut the circle to put inside. And then they also, I don't know what that one is. Oh, it must be the sentiment maybe. So I'm thinking it's the sentiment. So that's a nice one. I love, love, love. Got that one. I did get my hands on the sticker pad. Of course, I got the skull one. Love it. This is a collection I like. I like this collection. I got that one. That. I do like these. Love it. Look at that. Beautiful. Love, love, love. We got some letters. I got that one. And then I also the pink and black. Of course, I needed this. Look at this one. I like that. For the spell. Creepy and cool. Love it. You got this. Rest in peace. Love it, love it. And we got some sentiments you can use. Look at that. Love, love, love. This is like Monster High vibes. That. And this was, the paper pad stuff was 50% off now. Well, they were, yeah, they were 50% off. Like that. Love, love, love. So that is all my Michael's haul that I got to share with you. Yeah. The sales stuff was, the baking I believe was 30% off. I know the paper was 50%, and I think the Creativeology was 40%. I think 40. And like I said, the market is $19.99, so it's about half already. So yeah, this is my little Michael's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything that you're looking for, or what was your favorite item. Subscribe if you haven't. I sure love to have you. And hit the notifications so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day.